I had you to be calm, please. So can I make my ruling? So stand up now when I make my ruling, please. So the court has just delivered a ruling on the trial process, commencing. And the court did rule that the process commences as per the charge sheet, which involves all the accused persons, which I can't separate unless the prosecution separates them. So the prosecution had no objection in the first place to the lifting of the warrants of arrest for accused number 2 and 3 who are present today. So the issue now is whether accused 2 and 3 who are present and their warrant of arrest having already been lifted with the concurrence of all parties hearing should be released on bond or bail at this stage, pending the arrest of accused number 1 or any action on the charge sheet by the prosecution there. Bail or bond is a fundamental right to everyone, even to one who is arrested and not charged. The fact that plea is yet to be taken should not be a bar against the release on bail. In a case where the prosecution had no objection in the first place to the lifting of the warrant of arrest, which the I'm going to frame the issue, which I'm supposed you had me to pronounce myself on, which I yes, so do we stop you there? I'm going to make a ruling on that. Of course. You read the issue and which he does agree. He said very well, yes.
May we have the first accused person benefit from that ruling?
So when I come back here, can I determine on your application on whether to extend the bond terms to this person? I think that's what I need to come, and then close the finish. Yes, I'll give you the proceedings then on how, and now you'll get them.
Yes.
Yeah. Of course. Of course, it asked me to review, but he had begun very well that he raised a very serious legal issue that what I have delivered amounts to anticipatory bail. That's why he was raising, and you have agreed with him.
Yes.
So can I make that one will have an impact on what he's trying to do?
So my belief, Your Honor, would be
yes,
have to confine himself to that particular aspect.
Yes. So let me come back.
The same terms that you have given should extend to the first accused.
Two of them,
Because that is a very pertinent issue which we have to take.
So do I read that you agree with the so you not agree with the council that the terms will extend to all accused persons?
Sorry, Your Honor. I disagree with
Mr. Diego.
my colleague.
Mr. Diego, we are solving this problem. I'm here to determine a dispute. I'm not here to lecture people. I'm a judge. A judge gets a dispute and resolves that dispute only. He doesn't lecture people. So let not be lecturing you, please. What is the dispute? I'm trying to ask you, what is the dispute? What do you want me to rule on? I should rule on what is the dispute here on Arraigned.
I've already submitted
He's saying,
one issue for determination.
yes.
The first accused person
It is like he's agreeing also now that there's no dispute or any further. I grant the bond terms to all of them. No, it's not upon me. Okay. I'm sorry then. If I didn't get well.
The same bond terms should apply to all of them. I don't know. You had already made your ruling.
Yes.
The accused persons who are here post what your Honor had decided. And that the first accused person's warrant is still in force.
It is in force.
So I have not agreed that you need to extend the terms for the ones who are here to the first accused person.
Yes.
It's just that by God's grace that he has raised this pertinent issue, which we were saying we were going to raise in the High Court here quietly. So you cannot again sit and review those terms. If they are agreed, let them join us in the High Court. Let's go together. Because you have no jurisdiction to review our own ruling.
According to you.
But for purposes of jurisprudence and development, you can say something about that particular aspect which should be purely perhaps for academic purposes.
Yes.
At least for
I know. Yes, to clarify to the parties my legal position, which I need to clarify.
I'm seeing a circumnavigation. You have made a ruling that the accused person be released on a cash bail of a certain amount or a bond of a certain amount. That is your ruling, Your Honor. If any other parties agree, whether you are right, yes, Your Honor, if you are right or wrong, that is your ruling. Any other person can take it up with the High Court. Right? So the only issue that is remaining, Your Honor, from my analysis, is whether those particular orders extend to the first whether the warrant of arrest on the first accused person will be lifted or not. Then second, whether those bond and bail terms extend to the first accused person if the warrant has been lifted. Those are the only issues that we want. Any other issue, Your Honor, can be dealt with the High Court. Yes.
That don't need to go on.
Yes. Yes. So that, Your Honor, on the question of whether your ruling amounts to anticipatory bail or not, those are questions that the High Court will determine. You cannot determine that at this particular time. You are functus, Your Honor. That is the position that I am taking.
And that's why I say it could be for academic purposes.
Yes.
But again, Your Honor, you want to develop jurisprudence, you can say something about it. And I invite my colleague, because it's aggrieved by your ruling, to join me in the High Court.
I've delivered my ruling on bond terms. That one now you don't need to raise an issue with that. In fact, I expected a surety to come in here, or cash will be paid now. That is enough for the High Court, which I'll give the DPP the proceedings in the next 1 hour or 2 hours. They get the proceedings started myself. As for the issue, the legal issue of bail, let me comment on that one. There's no problem. Me being hard, there's no problem with that. Let me give my view on it. Whether what my decision amounts to anticipatory bail or not, I'll make a ruling. Yes, I have to give a date for the warrant of arrest now, because I won't hear this. What I've ruled is that I won't take plea the way it is for accused persons charged with felonies. One is absent. So my ruling was that one. A trial process begins with the plea. However, even when you are arrested, you can be released on bond by the police. Yeah, it doesn't matter that we're going to wait for 1 year, 2 years for you to be released on bond. You release on bond. The moment you are arrested by the police, they should release you on bond, if we'll get you. So plea is yet to begin. That's my ruling, and I still stand by it. But you have the right to appeal to the High Court. I still stand by that one. So let me come back and deliver my view on the anticipatory bail aspect. Of course, a short one. And then we take a date now for the warrant to arrest against the first accused person, so that we take plea for all of them jointly. I also did comment therein, in Obita, that unless the state withdraw the first accused person, that's when now we'll take plea for the 3-1. But if at all we are charged with a misdemeanor means assault, those simple cases, then we can take plea against them. The charge with felonies, I won't take plea when they're absent. One of them is absent. So let me retreat and come back and deliver my legal opinion on whether the bail. Of course, the warrant for arrest against the first accused person who is absent that will remain. That one cannot. Yeah, that is already there. I can make that one now, even there. It's already made, but not.
You have promised me that you're going to write a ruling on this.
Anticipatory bail only.
Okay, so can I have you talking?
You all have leave to appeal, and proceedings in the next 2 hours you will get. You all have leave to appeal, proceedings in 2 hours time for you to go to the High Court. Yeah. So let's retreat. 15 minutes, I come back for the bail, and then we take a date now for the plea. Is there an issue?
He's one of my staff. He's my part of this team. He's a counsel.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Including the option of removing this first accused person from the charge sheet and then we can proceed. But
Yeah.
we come back and find a way.
So like we'll have a long day again. I'm here for you, but I came for you. We'll come back. There's no problem. Yeah. So
We will not have a problem if the bail and bottom remain the same. That will be fine.
let me retreat. The bottom are there. You can. So can we retreat for 15 minutes? We come back on that and we'll have left. So 15 minutes time. We arrive kidogo.